Hey guys, welcome back to another fishy video. Today, we made a supermarket, and hello there, sir. Let me just see. So I got this computer. Order gut users. All right. I think our thing is maybe this. And oh, that costs so much. This, I think people, oh no, that's too much. Alright, there you go. We bought something. Now we got 24 cents left. Ooh. Now let me guess. I put these. Yeah, there you go. And I put in the trash can. That easy. So shoot. What is this? Ooh, I can set the price. So market price $5.98. Wait, what if I'll make it $6? It's $6. Ooh, oh, I see it. So we get profit. I see. So $3.99, $3. I'll just make it $4. And then this store is open, baby. Turn on the lights. Hello there, sir. Welcome. Alright. Let me guess. Let's click. Then I get money. And then $10. Oh! So I'm starting to get the hang of it. Alright. Hello there, ma'am. Wanna buy that? Ooh, credit card? $6. Thank you. Next, have a great day. Anyways, hello there, sir. What would you like to buy? Alright. Some cereal and some bread. $1. There you go. Thank you. We need to make 25 checkouts. That's nice. I don't know how are we supposed to do that. Ma'am? Can you? Hello there, sir. Only bread? I see. Thank you. Let me just go outside. What's happening? Alright. Wait, can I climb up? Yo. I think I'm not supposed to do this. But is this thing never ending? Wait, I can move! I just need to shift. Hey, no way. Oh my god, I think I'm having too much fun. I'm just gonna go back. I'm just gonna... Thank you, ma'am, for getting to my restaurant. Not restaurant, I mean supermarket. What am I thinking? Hello there, ma'am. Thank you. That'll be $10. Thank you. Alright. I guess we're having a sister, another twin, I guess. Ooh. Alright, thank you. Just buy that, $6. And ooh, you have a suit on. Look nice. Thanks. Have a great day. Now I just wait. Oh, please, no. What's there's storage? How do I get in storage? Is it the computer or something? Market? No. Management? Storage! $800, bruh. That's so much. Alright, thank you, sir. That'll be $10. Thank you. $6. or shoot. There you go. Thank you. Alright, we need 15 more, and then, got 25 checkouts. That's nice. Ooh, this guy looking tough, bro. Get him, please, please, please. No! No! Alright, I'm so sorry. Hello, man. Can I? Alright, thank you. $10. Please, please. Yes! Thank you. Alright, there's 2 people. $4. Okay. So now $4 again. Alright. And we need oh shoot. 12 more. 12 more, checkouts left. Alright. Please get in. No. Alright, no, what am I doing? Never mind. That's just weird. Well, hear me out though. Okay, what am I doing? No. Teamwork, you're better than dude, you're better than this. I'm better than this. Alright, thank you, man. $36. And finally, we got $100. We just need and then 10 more checkouts left. Got the objective. That's not enough. I think we gotta buy more. This market. I think we need to buy more bread. And these. Purchase. Chillax. What? When did I? Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm sorry. I'm stupid. This and then this. Alright guys, make sure that make sure to click the subscribe button and watch my previous video. You gotta smack that like button, smack that like button and subscribe button. Thank you, man. You gotta smack it. Alright, thank you, sir. Bro, blood, everybody looking so depressed. This girl has been mewing. I'm seeing that you have been mewing. Come on, so close. We're so close. 25 checkouts, bro. These. Alright, nice choice. Thank you. $12. And there you go. Thank you, sir. Oh, please. Let's go. You're coming here back. For some more bread and some cereal. I see. Thank you, sir. $16. Did that guy just cut the line? Wait, no. Wait, is this me? There was a guy right here. Never mind. $4. We need 4 more checkouts. Please. Oh, we can finish the day? Wait. Please come over. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Come over. Just go. Over here. Never mind. Alright. So, we got $94. 19 customers. And 2 products not found. Supply cost $111.40. Crazy. Daily expense. You will receive daily bills starting today. Make sure to pay them the bills using your computer before the due date. They'll be paid automatically. I need to pay bills? That sucks. I don't want to pay my bills. Fine, I'll pay my bills. Bills? There's no bills. There's no Bill Gates. Alright, we're open for business. What if I crash? Woo! Yo! Yo, what? Oh, come on. Oh, sound this guy's strong. Oh! Hello there. Okay. Chaso is in the building. Alright, thank you. Thank you. $1. Thank you so much. Oh, they're getting the cereal. Nice. Thank you. Make sure you gotta get. I think you're bulking up, bro. They're bulking up. Turn on the lights. I already did, but no, not now. We're almost so close. We just need 2 more checkouts, and then we're done. Please. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there, hello there, emotionless woman. Like, bro, nobody's smiling, bro. Look at him. Oh my god, the 1,000 yard stare, bro. No. Thank you. Libro. Joe Biden is in the building. Joe Biden. Alright. Thank you, sir. And $4. Let's go! We did it. Product license. Is it manager license? I need $200 and level 3. I'm not even level 3. Like, bro. I'm not even level 3. Hello there. Please get a much promoted now. No. Let's go! Yes, let's go. Please. Okay, now what am I doing? Please. Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you, sir. Please. Is it just me? Am I yawning? Bro, I'm like 7 foot tall, bruh. The Rock. No, Dwayne. Whoa. Thank you. Alright. $4. Thank you there. Oh man. Asian looking. $2. Alright, thank you. Bro, we have 2 bread left. What if please crash. Oh, yo, what? What am I doing? Yo, stop. There you go. Alright, now just, bro, this is Gmod, bro. I'm Gmod. I'm literally having, bro, I'm yelling, bro. Yo, what the? Never mind. Thank you. $1. 2 bread. Thank you. There we go. And $8. Oh, we're officially out of business. Oh, I know. But we got 3 more bread. And it went. There we go. We got new products. Guys, we got new products. Let's go. W's in the chat. We got coffee. $55 for a coffee. That's so expensive. $0 and $16. Alright, thank you. We're out of business. And guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. And I'll see you guys next time. And